Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new video for you showing you how I installed this exact wig with glue and without glue. I will also be presenting our new Luxe Wig package. This package is essentially a care package and includes everything you need to slay your Luxe Beauty Essentials wig. This package is now available to buy and is currently on sale. First item is our Luxe Melt Mousse, which is perfect for defining curls and taming flyaway hairs. Next we have the Luxe Melt Wax Stick, which is also good for taming those flyaway hairs. And it's great for adding some shine. The Luxe Melt Lace Glue is perfect for gluing down your wigs and is great because you can build up the strength with each layer. The Luxe Melt Glue Remover, which is great for lifting your wigs and removing glue from your lace. The Luxe Melt Edge Control is for laying those baby hairs and keeping them in place all day. We also provide a C-curved needle and black thread in case you prefer sewing down your wigs. You will also receive some professional tweezers in case you want to pluck your wigs further. Our precision comb so you can get that sharp parting on all your wigs. We also include our two-sided edge brush, which we use to lay baby hairs. And the final item is a set of 2 wig caps. In addition to this package, you can also choose from one of our Luxe Grip headbands. The colour of your headband does not make a difference to how your wig is laid. All that matters is that you place the mesh part of the headband where you want the parting of your wig to show. The purpose of this headband is to help your wigs lay flat and secure without any type of adhesive. Now here I'm showing you how to put on your Luxe Beauty Essentials wig with this headband without any sort of glue. Inside all Luxe Beauty Essentials wigs, we place an adjustable band to help you secure your wig easily. So after placing that band on your nape and throwing the wig over, this is how it should sit. You can now move the wig to where you want it to sit on your head. By the way, I had already cut the lace on this wig, so that's why there's no lace on this wig to cut. This is a wig that I created and styled for myself because it's my birthday, but just to let you know in case you're not aware, at Luxe Beauty Essentials we do style all wigs before we ship them out to you. Now here I'm just tugging on the wig to show you that it is securely in place with that headband underneath. In terms of lace sizes, this is a 13x4 frontal wig. So this means that the ear tabs will potentially flap up if they're not glued down or set in place. If I plan to throw my wig on a daily basis without setting it, I will just let it sit like this because without the wind blowing, you won't really see the ear flaps. But if I do want to make the ear flaps not flap, this is a little trick that I like to do. So I grip the headband underneath and then I fold the ear tab and tuck it under, just like that. So when the wind blows, you won't see the ear tabs flapping anymore. And also this does help the wig lay a lot more securely without any glue. Of course, there is also the other alternative of using got-to-be sprays just to spray down those ear tabs. Now we're going to move on to gluing our wigs down with the Luxe Melt Lace Glue. It's best to apply this glue in small, thin layers. To spread the glue, I prefer using the pointy end of the precision comb. Between each layer of glue, make sure that it has gone completely clear. So because I plan to wear my wig for about 2 to 3 days, I'm only going to put 2 very thin layers. Now what I'm doing for the little pieces near the front that have not been completely glued down, I've put some extra glue there, waited for it to go tacky, and then continued pushing it down into my skin for that melt. If I was planning to wear this wig for longer, so let's say maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I would put up to 4 layers. And when I go for a super strong hold, I like to do the bold cap method, which I have not done here because I didn't have the time and I didn't think it was necessary for a short hold. One thing to consider when gluing down your wigs near your sideburn area is that if you have a lot of hair in that area, you may need to cut it down so the hair can stick better. And also, if you use our Luxe Melt glue remover, it will be very easy to lift your wigs off, to remove glue from your edges if it gets stuck in there, and also to remove glue from your lace. Now to really melt this wig in, I am using just a regular black head tie and I'm tying it down and I'm using a blow dryer for about 5 minutes just to let it really melt in and soak. Now to make my parting pop even more and look more like scalp, I'm using a powder which is a teensy bit lighter than my complexion and just placing it in the parting. I'm then going to use some wax stick in the parting area with my hot comb so I can get it really flat near the top. Now I've just decided I want to do some baby hairs just to show off the power of our Luxe Melt Edge Control. I've parted out maybe ½ an inch or maybe 1/4 of an inch of some sections of hair that I've cut up to about 1 inch long with my scissors. I will be applying the edge control with our two-sided edge brush, and trust me, the smell of this edge control is just so mesmerizing that you just want to use it because it smells so good. So whilst brushing down my baby hairs, I noticed that they was looking a bit thickish, so I got the little tweezers that we do include in the package and I decided to just pluck out a few strands of hair so the baby hairs can look a bit more thinner and a bit more natural. I'm still a bit new to baby hairs, but if you would still like to follow my interpretation of doing baby hairs, I just basically took small little sections and just swooped it in with the comb part of the two-sided edge brush, and then when I felt like the swoop didn't have like enough volume in it, then I would use the little brush side of it and just kind of play with it a bit. Hope that makes sense. Now here is a final look of my baby hairs. I'm happy with them. So now I'm going to proceed with adding some Luxe Melt mousse because I would like to just make the top just a little bit more flat. Always shake the bottle well so you can get a good, nice amount of foam. And that's the final look. This is how I would style my Luxe Beauty Essentials wig, and I hope you found it easy to follow. So when you slay your Luxe Beauty Essentials wig, it comes out looking stunning and amazing, whether you glue it down or you rock it gluelessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like this video and share with a friend who needs some tips on slaying their wigs, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future.